Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDRL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very rough movement the past couple of days. To think that not that long ago the price was actually up here flirting in the 205 region, and now all of a sudden a few days later, all the way down there, below $1.80. It is what it is, but definitely put in the chart now at some very important levels from the technical point of view, and talk about this first one. Gonna have to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit, and that level. And there's nothing fancy, there's nothing complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of that level down there at $1.67 is the lowest it's been in a very, very long time. And then on top of that, so let me take a step back from just a general, hey, I care about the overall chart, I care about the quote-unquote story of the price. Well, that level right there at $1.67 going to be very important for you because, well, if the price were to drop below there, well, then that, from a very literal sense, means the price has gone down to lows that haven't been seen for a very, very long time. So very important from that, viewpoint. From the trading viewpoint, very interesting because the last time the price was down around here, well, as you see there, a very impressive bounce followed. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because a big bounce occurred last time does not mean that if the price hits this level, it is for sure bouncing back upwards again. Now, would that be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, it wouldn't be shocking, but there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I can't sit here and say that. But it's at least a logical thought to have. Case in point, let's just say that the price has never bounced off $1.67, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like the price could bounce off $1.67. You'd be totally justified to say, wait, what are you talking about? It's never bounced off that before. But in this situation, it actually has. So again, does that mean it's guaranteed to happen? No. Does that mean it's a valid, a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So keep a close eye on $1.67 going forward. Now, in the event the price does bounce from that area, let's talk about a couple of these key levels of resistance. Initial level of resistance to keep an eye on is just going to be this former area of support, and that's a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken. So that was a clear level of support, but it was broken right there. They do tend to act as resistance. So if with any sort of bounce back to the upside, that first key level right there around $1.76 is going to be that initial level. If the price can get up through $1.76, next key level after that, right up there at $1.85. So $1.76, $1.85, two important levels going forward from the resistance standpoint. But yeah, rough day today, but we'll see if the price can try to bottom out and create some sort of back or upwards movement to the upside. Still 1 day left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how this closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.